The topic going look today is profit and loss. So see here, first question is profit and loss. So first question is today. A shoe was sold at Rs 330 with a profit of 10%. If it was sold at Rs 275, what percent of loss your profit? So read again question. A shoe was sold at Rs 330 with a profit of 10%. If it was sold at Rs 275, what percent of loss or profit? So see here, your CP always will be 100%. Your CP always will be 100%. And question ask, sold was, it means selling, SP. CP equal to SP equal to CP plus SP equal to CP plus profit. CP is given 330. Okay, plus what is profit? Profit is 10% of this amount. So see here, 10% change in fraction. So 10% by 100, 0 cancel, so 1/10. This is our CP and this is our profit. CP plus profit will be selling price. Selling price equal to 10 plus 1. So selling price is 11. So see here once again here. Selling price given 330 rupees. Okay. And in fraction SP is 11. So 11 equal to 330. Okay. So 11 3 is 33. So 1 unit equal to 30. We assume CP equal to 100. So see here, once again 30 and CP is given 10. See here, CP is, this is your CP and this is your profit. So CP equal to 30 into 100. So our CP is 300 rupees. Okay. And in this amount, it was sold at Rs 275. It was sold at Rs 275. What percent of loss or gain? Our CP is 300 and he sold at 275. So CP is given 300 and SP is 275. CP is given 300 and SP is your 275. So 275 is less than 300. So always, so your loss is 300 minus 275. So loss equal to 25. This is our loss, 25. But our target to find what is loss percent or profit percent. So see here, loss percent equal to, because we have loss, so loss percent equal to 25 and keep always CP. CP is 300 into 100. So 0 0 cancel, and your loss percent is 25/3. Question number 2. Question number 2. By selling an article Rs 600, a man loses 25% at what price he will sell the article to make a profit of 40%? This is very easy question. By selling an article Rs 600, SP is 600. Okay, and a man loses 25%. He lost 25. Loss equal to 25%. Always keep remember CP is 100%. This is 100% and this loss 25%. So selling price will be 75%, and SP is 75%, but here given 600. So 75% equal to 600, right? So percent remove here 0 0. So 5 1 ja 5 and 2. So 5 5 ja 25 and 15 4 ja 60. 1 minute. So see here 1 second. 75% equal to 600, because our selling price is given 600 and he got lost 25%. So SP will be 75%. 75% equal to 600. So see here, percent remove here and here comes 100. 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100 and 3 2 ja 6. So 2 4 ja 8. So CP is 800, right? Because 2 4 ja 8 and 2 0 comes here. So CP equal to 800, and our target to find, he will sell the article to make a profit of 40%. 100% plus 40% will be selling price, right? CP is given 800 and 40%. 40% means 50% will be half of this number, 400, and this is given 40% and I have take 50%. So 10% take, 10% will be 80 and minus. So 40% will be 320, because here 50% will be half of this number, 400, and our target to find only 40%. 40% means 10% less. So 10% less of this number. So 10% will be 80. 400 minus 80 will be 320. So here this number 320. So your selling price will be 0, 2 and 11. So this is our answer, selling price. Okay, thank you for watching this video.